Right, we made it to Ama. We did have reservations at Makahiki, but the online app was showing that Ama was fully booked. So we were kind of bummed out about that. At least I was. The prix-fixe menu have a special New Year's dinner prix-fixe, and that looked like something I would enjoy. So fortunately, I showed up at the counter, and the cast member was able to find us a reservation, and we changed from Makahiki to Ama. And we hope to enjoy what they offer. And if you didn't know, hun, this is their regular menu, even though that's also prix-fixe, but
no, it gives you options, but
yes,
that one's a set.
True. It's just like Makahiki, how it gives you a few different options to select from. And then this is their holiday, or let's say their New Year's Eve dinner, prix-fixe dinner. Our hostess mentioned that for the holiday prix-fixe, if you enjoy seafood, that's probably a better one to consider. What say you? Like the holiday one, or you want to order something else?
I have to look at it again. There's a lot of truffle in it.
No. I can take the truffle off your plate.
That's the wrong head, so pretty.
Here's our cocktail menu.
They're both the same price.
Yes, correct. But something about the Wagyu and lobster tail kind of stands out with me, at least. So.
Yes.
Yes, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. That was easy. I'll have to check that out. I don't know if I can actually have a drink or maybe share a drink.
Kobe ribeye.
Maybe we can get Japanese.
Kiawe smoked fish sounds good.
Oh, off their regular menu?
Off the choice menu.
Okay, that's their regular menu.
I know.
Okay.
That's the choice one. I can choose.
Yes, correct. Hey.
We're good. And
This is the new year. My partner's name is Taylor. We're both taking care of it.
Right on.
Are you okay to start with house water?
Yes, please.
Perfect. Taylor will be with you shortly, and he'll go over the menu with you, okay?
Right on. That's the last show they mentioned. They're doing the storytelling show.
nice.
Yeah.
He's got a very nice voice. Mr. Storyteller.
Very nice. Even storytelling or singing, but this is a recording, but so that's a recording. And they're doing the hula.
So yeah, we've never sat over here.
So we opted for a glass of champagne. Vice a full bottle because I still gotta drive home. And we gotta watch out for fireworks and other people. And go from there.
I got no sleep.
This is the app portion, is that correct? So 3 oysters, some uni in there, gold leaf, edible flower, what else? I don't know, but these oysters, yeah, oyster in there somewhere. But yeah, these were banging good. Nice. Is that
It's
black masago?
no, it's caviar.
Oh, it is.
On top of salmon roe,
Yeah,
and it's smoked tuna
inside.
inside,
Nice.
and it's very nice, very light, very tasty.
And these are like
Tastes like fish.
taro. It tastes like fish. These are taro crackers. You said they were kind of delicate, so recommended to scoop this on top of the cracker versus using the cracker as the dip.
Yes, they break apart very easily,
And crumbly.
but very nice.
This is. What is this? This is not the appetizer.
Yes, it is.
Is it? So, first one was a starter.
No, first one was
Starter. This is the app. Nice shaved truffle on top of there. Pork belly. Oh, and that's the
That's
the
a
puree.
sweet potato.
Very nice.
Very pretty.
And they started our bread service.
That's all.
If you want to call it, yes, this is all you get. But it's all good.
That's all we need.
Yes, you don't need any more than that. So definitely. All right,
We're not
give this a shot. Which one was this? The ribeye
Yes.
with hamakua mushrooms, which we love and we get at Costco as much as we can. Hamakua Farms offers a lot of organic produce here on the islands to a lot of the outlets and such, but yeah, their mushrooms delicious. So. And I got, what do you say, the land and sea. It's part of the New Year's Eve prix-fixe. So Wagyu, probably American Wagyu, because they didn't mention Japanese. So usually that's what happens. Yeah, and then a little bit of lobster as well in the middle. And this looks delicious, so we'll dig in. Alright, wrapping up. With the dessert. This is a molten cake. And it's crazy. The sugar work that they did on that. It's pretty insane. And then wife got the citrus bar. With gooseberries and yeah, lots of stuff there going on.
Guava and
Yeah.
oh my gosh, there's so much going on there. I gotta find my hidden Mickey though.
Yeah, I found it.
Is that it?
Yep, I think so.
Yeah, I think so too.
Enjoy that with our cappuccinos. And trying to get back to our location to check out the fireworks show. Alright. It's been a wonderful dinner here at Ama. It's been easily over a couple years since we've been here last.
Oh, 4 years?
4 years. Wow.
There's my
She
little
would have
Mickey.
remembered. Oh, you
Yeah,
found a
there's a
different
little
one?
candy Mickey. Yeah, there's a little candy Mickey.
But it's a gold leaf Mickey too, right?
I think, but this is more
Where's the candy Mickey?
right there. Candy. Here's
What
a
am I
white
missing?
chocolate. Over here. On the other side. There you go. Now turn a little. Here.
In the powder.
Do you see the little sparkly guy there?
Only
He's
gooseberry?
white. In front of the gooseberry.
Oh, yeah.
Next to the edible flower.
Yeah.
I think the other stuff just we got lucky and it kind of looks like Mickey.
Yeah.
But that's the Mickey.
I didn't get a hidden Mickey, but yeah, it's all good.
You got a piece of glass on yours.
So yeah, this prix-fixe meal, New Year's Eve, absolutely delicious. Price point, a little on the high side, but I didn't think too much of it. You know, closing out the year and everything. And hoping that 2024 will be a better one. So with that, we'll wrap up here with our dinner and check out the show next, fireworks. All right, aloha.